everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove device from your Netflix account. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to netflix.com and make sure that you're already signed into your account. If that's the case, then you can see that on the upper left hand side there are 3 horizontal lines. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines and then select account. As you select account, you'll be directed towards a page that will show you most of your information regarding your account. Now what will happen is that if you want to remove account from your Netflix account, what you need to do is you need to scroll downwards, and then what you can do, number one option is you can manage download devices. So when you go to manage download devices, you'll be able to see that there are certain devices that are allowed to download different Netflix shows, movies onto their particular device. So if you want to remove any particular device, you can just simply tap on show downloads, see what they've downloaded, and then tap on remove device. As you tap on remove device, the device will get removed. And now another method is what you can simply do is you can scroll downwards, and here you will be able to see an option that will say sign out of all devices. So you can simply tap on this and then tap on the sign out button, and here it will say that you've been signed out of all the devices. So you can also do this in order to remove the devices. What you can also do again is you can go to change password setting, and as you go to your change password setting, you can set up a current password and then set up a new password, confirm the new password, and then tap on require all devices to sign in again with new password, and then tap on the save button. In this way, any other device that's currently using your Netflix account will require the password again in order to sign into their particular devices. So this is basically how you can remove different Netflix devices from your Netflix account. I hope that this video has guided you through removing some of the devices that are currently using your Netflix account. If it did, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, also share, subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified each time that we upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.